Well, I can't make a skateboard video today, but I thought it'd be interesting to show everybody this little blizzard going through my area. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show everybody. So as you can see, it's snowing sideways and everything is covered in a pretty good amount of snow here. And the roads are practically empty. I'm walking over to the main road to show everybody this. The roads are hardly drivable. There's people out braving it on the roads, but it's really not recommended. There's heavy winds and there's ice and packed snow all over the roads. Foot travel's more reliable than car today. I've seen a couple of near collisions from just not being able to drive on the roads properly. So as you can see, these usually busy streets are pretty damn empty. This road is one of the busiest roads in my town in Connersville, Indiana, and they're nearly empty. As soon as I came outside, the first thing I noticed is the wind is just blasting the snow into my face. Like, the wind, the snow, the ice. There's a slight ice rain that comes here and there with the snow, and it's no fun. Unless you have a snowboard or something, it's not worth your time to get out. My brother lives in Liberty, Indiana, in Union County, Indiana, and he lost his power, and apparently some other people we know in Union County lost their power. Yeah, that is a look into Connersville, Indiana, and our current position with this storm. Just a little peek. Y'all have a good day. See ya.